now nonlinear inequalities. Okay. When we talk about nonlinear inequalities, it's a system of inequalities that contains quadratic or second degree equation. Okay. Or second degree inequalities. Okay. So, for example, we have this inequality statement y less than or equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay? So as you can see, this is specifically a quadratic inequality. Okay? And the graph of quadratic inequalities can be a circle, because a circle is also second degree equation. It can be an ellipse, it can be a parabola, and it can also be a hyperbola. So for now, since we don't know yet the properties of these curves, so what we're going to do is to use point plotting. But if you know the properties of each curve, like ellipse, circle, and hyperbola, as well as parabola, then you can use those properties. Okay? So let us have this example here, graph the following, where we have y is less than or equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. So first thing to do is to identify the vertex of this given curve. Okay, we say that this is a parabola. Okay, why? Because if we're going to transform the inequality statement into an equation by replacing the symbol, inequality symbol by equal sign, so we can see from here that it is a parabola. Okay? So last time we have the lesson about the vertex formula of a parabola, where we perform completing the squares. So the standard form is that we have y equals x minus 1, y squared, this is x minus h, y squared plus a. Okay? So let us transform this to be now equal to, so we have x squared plus 2x, then completing the squares, we have it as plus 1, okay? Then minus 3, then minus 1, okay? So, if you're going to simplify this expression, it will be the original equation, okay? So, what we have here now is y equals, obtain the factors of x squared plus x plus 1, which is x plus 1 squared, then minus 4, okay? Then what is then the vertex? The vertex is at negative 1 and positive, negative 1 and negative 4, okay? So we're going to graph it now. So having the vertex as negative 1, negative 4, so this is the vertex of the parabola. And what do we have here as a parabola? Is it opening upward or downward? It is opening upward because a is greater than 0. Okay? It opens upward. So let us now graph. So it will be a solid parabola because of the symbol less than or equal to. Okay? So where is then the solution set to this inequality? So take note, it is less than. So meaning that, is it inside or outside the given graph? So is it outside or inside? So if you want, you may use a pair of points to define if this will be inside or outside. Let us take the pair points inside. So when we can use the origin because we think that it is the origin, okay? So we have here now, one of the points take the origin. So at 0, 0, so we have now 0 for y. Is it less than? So we have x is also 0. Is it less than negative 3? 0 is less than or equal to negative 3. True or false? It is a false statement, right? Let us take one more from the inside the parabola. Let us take a value closer to the vertex. Let's say if I will have it as vertex is at negative 1 and negative 3. So if I'm going to find it here now, this is now negative 3 for y. Is it less than Positive 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Minus 3, negative 4. Is negative 3 less than or equal to negative 4? This is again a false statement. Okay? So with that, we can conclude that it is outside the solution set is outside the parabola and also within the parabola because it is a solid line. Okay, class? So we can also include the points on the parabola. So this is then the solution set. Okay? So again, this is the solution set can be obtained by graphical method. So you write now solution set or SS. Okay? So any questions?